Hi guys, welcome back to Carly's Closet, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going vlog style, and I'm taking you guys with me into the Dollar Tree. Now, last summer I moved into a new location, and where I live, I have all the stores that I could ever possibly essentially need, right basically outside my apartment complex. And so it's very, very convenient. And so anyways, that was when I really got into Dollar Tree shopping and literally discovering all the amazing things that the Dollar Tree has to offer. And I was really, really impressed with the way that the Dollar Tree has come up so much over the past couple years and how they offer so many like plant-based items for around your house, party needs, just like seasonal stuff, basic things that you could really use around the home. That's essentially what I go there for. And hygiene products, right? So I've always been super excited to do a video like this to kind of show you guys what I particularly shop for when I go to the Dollar Tree. And it's really become my #1 spot for those home essential items instead of going into the big stores. I'm someone who likes to shop small. I don't really like to go, hopping from one place to the other, which of course I do have to do for certain things, but the Dollar Tree has become a one-stop shop in many, many ways. So yeah, I thought it would be interesting to take you guys along and show you the essential items that I have found to be amazing, that I will only go to the Dollar Tree to purchase, and obviously save some coins, because in these grocery stores in the modern day and age, things are incredibly expensive and you just don't want to spend so much money on basic home essential items, right? So if you guys like videos like this, definitely let me know down below, but let's go ahead and get into the vlog, taking you around with me in the Dollar Tree.
So the first thing that I come to the dollar store for is all the cleaning supplies. Everything I use to clean my house, laundry, well, not always laundry, but dishes, soaps, toilet, bathroom, all of that. I get my stuff from here. So let me go ahead and show you. Alright, so Fabuloso for mopping the floors. That's something that I use. Also this Spick and Span multi-purpose cleaner for cleaning the countertops and whatnot. I have a ton of different cleaners like this, honestly, and I just kind of cycle through them. I have so many, actually too many right now. Of course, Comet for bathtub, toilet, stuff like that. I kind of just like play around with whatever I need. Oh my god, I actually just got this one the other day, and my sister made me get it. But it actually smells so good. It smells so good, but it's so helpful for right before I put it into the dishwasher. It's kind of like loosen up everything, all the food. Dish detergent bag. Oh my god, I buy so many of these, and I just like put them in a big mason jar and grab one out every time I run my dishwasher. So good. Disinfectant spray, of course. Everybody could use some of that. Those are new. I haven't tried these yet, but I'm with it. They're made with vinegar, so I like that they offer a bunch of natural cleaners. Like, I was just so impressed with that aspect of the dollar store. Literally, there's just everything that you could possibly need for cleaning, so why go to some of these bigger stores and splurge when it's just so unnecessary? You can find it at your local dollar store, okay? Okay, obviously when you are in need of a toothbrush and toothpaste, to be honest, I don't use toothpaste. I don't use anything commercial toothpaste. I make my own. But I think it's so awesome that the dollar store offers like these bamboo, more natural, plant-based ingredient stuff. And that's why I really love coming here, because that's the only way that I shop in the first place. And you guys, oh my god, these Guru Nandu toothbrushes, they're so soft. I immediately, like when I got one a couple weeks back, I immediately told my sister about it, and she said she loved them too. She uses them for her nails. But yeah, she's all on the whole dollar store kick. So I also keep like stock of these things for just in case, you know, one of my sisters or somebody needs to come and, oh, this is a little protector. Somebody needs to come in and use like my house or whatever, you know. I have extra toothpaste. Oh my god! And then the options of the flosses, are you kidding me? Like, this is amazing. First of all, I have plenty of the Guru Nandu ones, and I love that they have these more natural plant-based, right? These are plant-based handles. These are charcoal infused, like literally all of them. But I have too many already, so I'm not gonna go home with any of these today. But it's so good. And they even apparently now have this tooth whitening gel. So good. Okay, all these, oh my god, this Guru Nandu whitening pen, this is really interesting to me. I'm actually I think I'm gonna get this one, and see how that works out. Alright, so obviously traveling, it's great to get stuff here when I travel, and I do travel pretty frequently. So it's awesome that they have the talc-free body powder and stuff. I have some already, so I don't need that, but this stuff I actually got for my sister first for a gift, and it was included in a gift, and she loved it. She loves that scent, so I actually got one of these the other day for myself. I have one of these cornstarch powders. That's really good. All these travel essentials. This is actually one of the deodorants that I also use. Really good stuff. And I have also been using this shave cream, which is really nice, just for like basic upkeep on my hygiene routine for my bathroom and stuff. Like I said, I love coming here to find the new stuff that they are, you know, releasing in here. I also have been using these Dermasil products. I don't know totally how I feel about them, but I've been using them. Let's see what else we have here. Oh yes, I have been getting some feminine pads. Now they don't have like big maxi pads here, but they do have the ones that are, over here, these organic cotton ones, and they're scented, and I have been using these for when I am on my cycle, you know. And all of these things that say maxi pads, they're actually so not, to be honest, they are so not that big and thick enough for me. But guys, basic stuff for your house, okay? Cotton swabs, tape for your first aid kit, like all of this stuff I pretty much get from the dollar store. And cotton rounds, of course, too, always an essential to keep. Yes, I do get my soaps here as well, and I saw that these are pretty new. I got one of these the other day. It is pure Castile soap. I use everything that is non-toxic and no harsh chemicals, and so this place has great options, and they have so many different scents. So the lavender, this is almond flavored. I've tried like so many different ones. They have oatmeal and mango as well. So cute and so good. I love that they have these options of just non-toxic chemical stuff. Alright guys, we are back on the cleaning stuff. You guys, this is my #1 place for cleaning, and my sister, she swears by these little brushes. I think it's these. No, I think it's these she was telling me about. I don't know, one of these. She was like, you need this. I use this to clean my bathroom, my bathtub. Oh, it was this one. It was this one right here. She said she uses that for her bathroom and stuff. So it's really cool for just basic cleaning supplies for your bathroom, and for your dish stuff. I already had a bunch of this stuff, so I don't really need like too many of these. My sister does say that there are some of the things that she doesn't really use. She says actually these soap pads are better than these soap pads. So that's really interesting. I don't know, I haven't tested it for myself, but that, just wanted to note that in case. But all of these really cool cleaning supplies, and oh, it's just so nice to have all these options, right? Okay, they also have really great storage stuff. So hangers, awesome. I actually got one of these yesterday. I don't think it's better than the ones over here. I actually use these collapsible storage ones under my portable closet to kind of store like hats and scarves and things like that in it. They just feel better than that. Those feel like kind of paper thin, so that's not for me. But clothespins, lint rollers, all that essential stuff for home, use those. Oh, Ava loves these for...
I know.
Ava loves these for her desk.
Buying the little gold.
Okay, for my ladies who are in school or do a lot of desk work, and you know, you need all kind of supplies like this. This is definitely the spot. So my sister, she racks up here at the dollar store because she is in school and she's always needing stuff like this, you know, supplies. So pencils, of course, erasers, numerous different kinds of pens, poster boards, highlighters, like dry erase boards, all of it. Oh, even the garage sale signs. That's really cute. But all this stuff, even for decor on your desk, so cute. Okay, you guys, I'll be honest, I have not experimented with these peel and stick wallpapers, but let me tell you, they feel very nice and heavy and quality. And I'm thinking about what I can experiment it with, to be honest. I don't know yet, like, what I would put it on. Because I'm still not doing a whole wall with this, right? That's just ridiculous. These sheets are way too small, but this is a really pretty design. They really have stuff that looks very luxurious in these options. Like this one is just really standing out to me right now. It's so pretty. I don't think it would fit over tile, which is really what I'm wanting to cover. But that is just gorgeous, and I think I could find something to put this on. I even have my vanity, like my little vanity that would look really good on it, even just if it's like on the top. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But these are just great for something quick, cheap, and easy if you want to dress up a piece of furniture, you know. Alright, and last but not least, obviously for all your party needs, like something quick and last minute, throwing together, you know, you're going to somebody's birthday party or somebody's event and you need a bag, a gift bag, you know, tissue paper, maybe some party favors, whatever, candles, like all of that stuff. Obviously the dollar store is the best spot, and that's where I get all my gift bags. And obviously they always do seasonal, you know, they're always switching out their seasonal section. So let me go ahead and turn the camera other way. And I love their designs for each season. Like, it's just so cute. Like, come on, that's so cute. Very spring appropriate. The springy stuff is more forward to the front. But I mean, come on, like, you just need basic gift bags. Like, how cute, right? How cute. They have some up there I saw with some flowers and stuff on it, but just basic party favor stuff, you know? Oh, look how cute these are. These little bows that you'd put on a gift. I'm sorry, I'm like kind of in a trance right now. Cake decorating tool set. That's really cute. You can find everything. Everything. You guys, everything. Of course, this is your number one spot for cards when you need a card. I don't know if I mentioned this, but of course these basic beauty items, you know, like beauty sponges, like a nail clipper, a nail file. I wouldn't suggest nail polish, like that's just crappy, but acetone for a polish remover, some LA Girl stuff I think are pretty decent. Just basic stuff that you want to add into maybe your travel makeup bag, on the go, you know. I keep a makeup bag in my car. Chapstick, oh my god, they have some of the best chapstick that I've found here, and I literally keep them all around my house. They even have eyelashes, like, you guys, like, look at this. Look how cool. So anyways, I find a ton of different stuff here, and just keep them in my car for on the go. But yeah. Alright guys, one more thing that I want to mention too is that I do I do like to get some of these different seasonings, and I actually used the steak seasoning, the steakhouse seasoning the other day with my burger, and oh my god, me and my sister loved it. It was delicious. And so it's really cool that they have all of these different. I used it on a burger, and it was so good. And I mean, you just have sea salt. They even have like the pink Himalayan salt. Oh yeah, this one, like, awesome, right? So it's so cool how you can find all of these great basic items in the dollar store and all of this section of seasonings. Yeah. So anyways, anytime I ever need to replenish all my seasonings, this is the spot that I come to. And anyway, I think that's all that I wanted to share with you, like just the main items that I get from the dollar store. And so it's mostly like cleaning stuff. I'm big heavy on the cleaning supplies, and just some knickknacks and stuff to make life easier around the home. So if you enjoy videos like this, definitely subscribe. Let me know down below if you guys like watching stuff like this, and I'll continue to keep doing them. Till the next video, bye.